Hello and welcome to Ronda Trader channel. I'm Ronnie and today I welcome you to see some trading practice with me. Well, if you think of buying any crypto, first thing that you choose is a platform. I suggest going with BYBIT. Hey, let's get right down to BYBIT registration. Everyone starts with these simple steps that I'm showing here. If you wonder how to start trading, you need to know how to make it right. So we go and hit sign up on bybit.com. There we see our create account form and we provide our email. And we also make up a new and safe password. Hit create account. Now we go through verification. That contains two parts. The second requires the code from your email. After you enter it, do not rush to follow crypto purchase as suggested here. I recommend going to account and security first in order to accomplish a very important step. That is your identity verification. KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer, by the way. Once people get to level 1, they acquire a set of verified user benefits. More security, more transactions, and withdrawal freedom. That keeps me out of extra fuss in exchange for ID and a selfie. I want to be prepared here, especially since it takes under 10 minutes. So let us take a look at buy crypto with one click buy P2P, fiat and crypto deposits. If you start, you actually probably go with fiat deposit. We choose currency, and put amount before giving further payment details. I recommend one more option. Take a look at P2P and you shall see a whole list of sellers with some very attractive offers for you. As soon as your deposit gets to you, you are ready to go. Don't worry if you have to wait some minutes here, it is safe and secure. Market tab keeps us updated. Trade tab gives options on trading. And I usually choose derivatives, my favorite USDT perpetuals. So let me show you how I get to trading with my favorite Ethereum US dollar pair. Take a look. So here we have the overall view and that traditionally goes with candle chart. By the way, we have a nice set of indicators for our service here. That's really helpful. Down goes trading volume and we see order book on the right side that's palpitating with market moves and live. Alright, and on the right side there is form for your orders, limit, market or conditional. That depends on a set as full scope of conditions. Let's pay attention to this top part that helps you choose your margin mode. I choose 25, even though it's not recommended. Take your time, make some calculations, pay attention to that. That's really important. You can always check it on the top. Then we go below and there we can find current contract details. On the right side with activity log to do with positions, closed P&L, active conditional, field sections that finishes with auto history. Now you know what to start with. Please join me in my sessions, watch and learn, and have a lucky trading day. See you in BYBIT. Well, we're ready to trade, so I suggest taking our $10 deposit today to BYBIT platform and see what we can do with Ethereum US dollar pair. As you can see, there is a trend that has started not so long ago. Let me show you. We shall put two lines here because we make them aligned with with higher lows as the price in trend is growing. So now we can see that it accelerated. So from this point it started moving faster, which calls us for opening long. Yep, nice. So now that our order is submitted successfully, it starts with limit of 1192. The next line that we put is our stop loss. Stop loss is the line that should not be reached by the price at the time of our order processing. If it does, it means that the trend is already broken. Now let us take a look at a point above. Let's decide where we put our take profit nice line. We want price to reach this point, to reach this figure. So I suggest doing a trick today. For example, we could put one at 96.1 and we do that for 75% only, in order to be a little greedy today. And I suggest that we put another line, one more limit level, because we do expect the price to give us a solid green candle. That's also possible, and it could probably reach 12 sharp. Yep. Go around this point. Why not? Why not? Let's try and put another limit for our 25% here, and we make it 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. Confirm. Yep. Nice, nice. So let's see, guys. We have our limit taken, so our order started, and we have stop loss. We have got 2 take profit limits. Well, let's see what happens.
A few minutes later.
Wow, wonderful. As you can see, we have reached our first limit line, our first take profit line, which means we got $2 already, and we shall give some time. I hope that the price is not going to move down, but even if it will, our stop loss that goes higher now will help us in preventing too much loss, and we shall in fact lose nothing, even if the price turns around here. Pa 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 pam! Take a look, it worked! So let's go on. Guys, let us take our 12 US dollars and see what we can make, what's happening in Ethereum US dollar pair right now. We can see a trend. Let us make it visible and make a trend line here. As you can see, we can expect the price to break it and to go down, but looking at all that higher lows, I suppose we could set a limit not far from here, and let us open long. Why so? I suggest waiting for the price to continue this trend, but if not, we can take this point into consideration. If the price crosses this low, it means we do not have the trend anymore and we do not have anything to do here. Right, we make it orange and let's move to take profit. I suggest making 2 lines, 2 take profit levels, which means we are pretty sure the price is going to reach 12.2345. Yeah, but not all of it. Let's make it for 7/10. And we still have remaining amount for another take profit limit that could boldly go with the top of the candle with 12.25. Like that. Right, so we've got our limit set, we've got our stop loss, and we've got both of take profits, so let's give it some time.
A few minutes later.
Nice. Our first limit is reached. Well, what do we see here? I'm afraid the trend behavior does not go as we expected. So we have a new trend forming here actually, which means it's best for us to close and shut down our top level, and we modify it by market price. Yes, now our order has been filled. We managed to do that before it's too late. All right, guys. Well, guys, I suggest that we go and take a look at Ethereum USD situation to enjoy a marvelous level line here. Let me show you. We can see it has been formed, retested from both sides. Yeah, I guess here. Retested from both sides multiple times, and we go and let us set, yes, our order for going along. Let us suppose that the price bounces, which means we do not want the price to go down, and let us take a look at a proper position for our orange stop loss. I suggest that we make it on the same level below the shadows where we see them finishing. Nice, yep. And now we can go to our take profit that I suppose we can also split. Let us put the bottom level at around 12, yep, I guess that should go around 12.19, 15. That goes for 75%, and one more limit goes even higher. We can choose this point because we expect the price to retest the same level that it has already been to. So now we have our position, to limits, stop loss working. Let's give it some time.
A few minutes later.
There we go. Our first limit is filled. Great. Now let's give it some time. And we can probably try one more trick with our second limit. Let us cancel it. In order to split it, we can split it again. You can repeat this, and I suggest that we put that 12.20, 20.15, yeah, for 75%, and 25 goes even higher. Hopefully we get more profit at 12.22. Yeah, let's put it 0.5. For remaining 6 tenths. Nice. That means that we do not expect the price to bounce too low. We can modify and move our stop loss. I suggest that we put that just around the shadows of previous lows. Well, guys, now it's time for us to admit that maybe not everything went just as we wanted, and sometimes it does take more time than we can give, which means it's time to modify our limits. We can still sell at this point without losing profit, without losing our money. Just look what's going on, what's happening to the price. Maybe that is not sensible to wait. Let us sell. Let us sell with the current price. Yes, we still have the result of $15.99, almost $16. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being with me today. Now you know a bit more about trading with trends and splitting your limits. Have a lucky trading day, and I'll be back with you.